Morning, Germantown, Austin, Bluff City Exteriors, coming to you guys from another project. This particular project is very unique. This house has all new windows being installed, also a full fascia soffit conversion, a new roof. But the thing about this particular project that we wanted to talk to you about is the fact that it's color plus. So the siding and fascia soffit, when it goes up on this particular house, it will be painted already. So there will be no painter that shows up to this property. And you know you're dealing with that product when you see these wrappers around it. This wrapper is to hold and protect the paint during shipping and travel. And then this here is a James Hardie paint that we actually have to use on all of the cut ends. So this would actually fall under the Hardie warranty. This has a no fade warranty. Like I said, painted from the factory. So completely maintenance-free exterior. They will not have a painter. They will not have any rot. This home will be completely maintenance-free. So we're super excited to get this one done. Be on the lookout for the after shots, guys. Have a great day.